Hello friends, uh, I'm Ramesh Panikar on behalf of Kerala NEET Academy. Today we are going to discuss states of matter, alright, or gaseous state. In gaseous state we have Boyle's law, Charles' law, etc., Gay-Lussac's law, etc. So, before proceeding, now one must know how to draw graphs. All right. In chemistry, we normally stick to straight line, means how to draw straight lines. And the straight line equation is y equal to mx plus c. All right, here m is the slope. This m is the slope, and on y-axis, this is y-axis and this is x. Between y and x we are drawing a graph, and the c is called the intercept, and since it is a positive value we get a positive slope. All right, this is the intercept, and this intercept is c, and this is the slope of the graph, and this is theta, and this m is the slope, so m is equal to theta, or m is equal to, you can say, tan theta. M is equal to tan theta, which is positive. All right, and if we do not have the c part, say it is y equal to mx, so we have a positive slope, then you get a graph of this type. All right, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and you get a slope, positive slope without intercept. All right, and this is the angle, that is theta. All right, that is slope is equal to m, that is equal to tan theta. Slope is equal to m, that is equal to tan theta. All right, now see, if it is if the graph is like y equal to minus mx plus c, that means this slope is now a negative slope. The slope is now a negative slope, but the intercept is positive. The slope is negative. All right, and now if you draw a graph between y and x, all right, you get this kind of graph, straight line graph. Here it is negative slope. The slope is negative slope. And what is the value of slope? Slope is equal to minus m. All right, and this is the intercept. Intercept is positive. Intercept is positive. And if you want a negative intercept, it will be, the graph will be like this. See, it is a positive slope. All right, this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is positive intercept, this is positive slope, and this is negative. This is positive slope and negative intercept. Positive slope and negative intercept. And if you want a negative slope with negative intercept, the graph will be like this. See, it is with negative intercept and negative slope. All right, and you will also find graphs of this kind, like y is inversely proportional to x. In such cases, if you draw a graph between y and x, you will get rectangular hyperbola. You get rectangular hyperbola. All right, and like in Boyle's law, application of this you will find in Boyle's law, where P is inversely proportional to, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So if you draw a graph between pressure and volume, you will get this kind of graph in Boyle's law. All right. Whereas you can also say from this P is proportional to inversely P is inversely proportional to V, P is equal to K upon V, or you can say log of P is equal to log of K minus log of V. Or if you draw a graph between log of P versus log of V, alright, you get a negative slope. Intercept is log of K, this is log of K, and slope is -1. Alright, so if it is y equal to mx plus c, it is a straight line curve with positive slope and positive intercept. If it is without intercept, alright, it is y equal to mx kind of graph. Alright, and if it is y equal to minus mx plus c, you will see that the intercept is positive but the slope is negative. Alright, and if you want a negative intercept and positive slope, you will find this kind of graph. And if it is negative slope and negative intercept, you get this kind of graph. Whereas if we have a relation like y is inversely proportional to x, if y is inversely proportional to x, then if you draw a graph between y and x, we get rectangular hyperbola. Right, that I told you in Boyle's law, P is inversely proportional to V. So if you draw a graph between pressure and volume, this is rectangular hyperbola. Or you can take a log of it, and log of P versus log of V, you get a positive, you get a negative slope. Alright, where intercept is log of K and slope is -1. Alright, so let us discuss some laws